city of Castlegar recently installed a new UV filtration system on their drinking water. The new system was put in place after Interior Health sent out a report asking municipalities to install a second layer of defense at all drinking water facilities.
Right, so IHA came out with a set of guidelines for all purveyors of drinking water, and they wanted to move to filtration for most of the drinking water systems, if not all. But drinking water systems that had a high source of source water, like the city of Castlegar has, were able to file for filtration deferral, which we're able to achieve, but we still needed a dual barrier, so that's where we had to install the UV reactors. And what it's meant for Castlegar is that we can still meet the IHA requirements, but at a greatly reduced scope compared to what a filtration facility would cost both to build and to operate.
The city was able to accomplish the UV upgrade through a grant from the provincial government. As part of the grant application, the city had to reduce their water usage. By implementing water meters, the city was able to meet this criteria.
In the past, when we filed for grant opportunities with the province and the federal government, and they looked at some of our water demands, and they said that we needed to do something about the amount of water that we were using. So that's when Castlegar embarked on the universal metering program, and we're just nearing completion of that now. And I'm happy to say that through that program, we were able to reapply for that grant, and we got funding for it. So we received $750,000 in funding towards the approximately $1.3 million project. So that was a huge offset for us. And as you said, it is the hot time of the year right now, and anything we can do to help conserve water or reduce the water consumption at the end users, then it helps the whole system, including the water treatment facility.
The water meters also allow the city to reduce the amount of water that runs through these pipes, building the infrastructure to meet peak demands.
We have to build the facility, and we have to run the facility for those peak daily demands, and by having water meters in place, we're able to start reducing those peak demands, or at least hold them steady as the city grows, and that helps the overall cost of operating the water treatment facility, both from the size we have to construct it, but also ongoing maintenance and treatment costs.
With the summer months now upon us, we are in peak demand time for city water, and they want to remind all users, not just residents, to be mindful of water usage.
It's not just in residences. I mean, it's businesses, and it is the city itself. I mean, we have a number of parks, and we have a number of areas that we use water, so we have to be good stewards as well. So you've seen the city doing a number of initiatives with, like, City Hall, with going to low flush toilets, and I think we've done a good job of everybody doing their part to, slowly conserve water and reduce our water usage. So.
For more information on how you can reduce your water usage, or to learn more about the city water infrastructure, you can check out the city's website or call City Hall at 250-365-7227. For Go in Castlegar, I'm Jennifer Waldy.